Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a very important topic for all YouTubers and content creators out there. YouTube video SEO. What is it? And why do you need it? If you're ready to learn, let's get started. So first things first. What is YouTube video SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simple terms, it's a process that helps your YouTube videos rank higher in search results, both on YouTube and Google. When someone searches for a topic, YouTube's algorithm works behind the scenes to decide which videos should appear first. That's where SEO comes in. By optimizing your video's title, description, tags, and even the content, you can make it more likely that YouTube will show your video to viewers who are searching for that topic. Now let's talk about why SEO is so important for your YouTube videos. You might think, if my content is good, people will find it, right? Well, not exactly. YouTube is flooded with new content every single minute. Millions of videos are uploaded every day. Without SEO, your video can easily get lost in this massive sea of content. But with proper SEO, your video has a much better chance of being discovered. It increases your visibility, helps you reach a broader audience, and can even boost your subscriber count and watch time. Ultimately, good SEO is what turns a video from just another upload into something that gets noticed, watched, and shared. So, what are the key elements of YouTube video SEO? There are a few important things you should focus on. 1. Title. 2. Description. 3. Tags. 4. Thumbnail. 5. Engagement. First, your title should be clear and include keywords that people are likely to search for. Your description should provide more details and also include keywords, but make sure it sounds natural. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about. And don't forget your thumbnail. It's often the first thing people notice, so make it eye-catching. Finally, engagement. Likes, comments, shares also plays a huge role in how your video is ranked. In conclusion, YouTube video SEO is essential if you want to grow your channel and get your content seen by more people. It's not just about creating good content. It's about making sure that content reaches the right audience. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on growing your YouTube presence. Until next time, take care and keep creating.